I'm at the AdvantageLumber.com world headquarters at the Sawmill in Sarasota, Florida. We have a variety of epoxies and finishes and glues here. One thing I wanted to show you today is the Starbond CCA glue. This is great for filling little pinholes, cracks, splits in the wood. You can color this, but it comes colored already in the option of clear, brown, or black. You basically just put the nozzle on you want, and then you squirt it in the hole. You then take the accelerator and squirt on there. There's a little pump sprayer or there's aerosol size cans. And instantly, once you spray that, it is hard, you can start sanding. It's not like wait a minute, waited 2 minutes, kind of mind blowing. You squirt it, you sand. It's that fast. So best way to fill a little void in epoxy after you're done, or a little split, or a little divot, or a little pinhole, wormhole, check out the CCA glue. There's a couple different brands that we sell. One is Titebond, one is Starbond. Starbond's, has a bigger name out there, but basically the same thing. So we have that, as well as all the Titebond glues, Weissbond epoxies, Rubio finishes. So total solution for all your woodworking needs.